Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to introduce our speaker, founder of Noble Transformation Hub, self taught computer scientist and artificial intelligence scientist, and superconscious expert who work with global Fortune 500 company, General Electric, and Wipro Technologies. He has been doing transformation skills development programs and research on business case studies, 21st century skills, future skills, and technology research from the last 14 years globally. He has done 400 plus business and technology trainings programs from Harvard Medical School and Harvard University, other organizations. He spent around $75,000 on his career and courses, certifications, and global project based skills. He has been doing research on computer architecture, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and future technologies. He believes in win win decision making and achieves the goals, objectives as per the lifelong vision. Also, he is an active athlete. He's been participating in Wipro runs and other marathons for the last 10 years. I humbly welcome Dr. Noble Arya, sir, starting this event reinforcement learning use cases organized by AI and Robotics Club. Now I request everyone to keep yourself muted and at the end of the session we will have the Q&A. Thank you sir. I hand it over to you now.
Thank you so much, everyone. And I'm really honored to share my experience and skills and knowledge with you guys because you are future leaders, and we all need to work towards uh, this mission to create new innovative technologies, applications, projects, and all these things. Okay, we'll go to application in cars, like application in self-driving cars. Elon Musk, you guys are aware, Elon Musk is in Tesla, they are using technology, which is like self-driving cars where they use machine learning, and they are using uh, the same reinforcement learning is applied in Tesla cars. Okay, various research have proposed deep reinforcement learning, okay, for autonomous driving. Okay, so what happens in machine learning? In machine learning, this when data is generated, and based on that, they make the agent makes decisions. Okay, earlier there was a driver. Now there's an agent, AI agent, like reinforcement learning agent, AI agent, who is there based on the patterns and the based on the data he tries to learn, and that based on that learning, reinforcement learning, continuous learning, it's going on, and it optimizes also, so they are able to drive like safely. So then in self-driving cars, there are various aspects to consider when we are making a self-driving project, or if we want to start from scratch. So we need to consider such as speed limits at various places, uh, drivable zones. We need to avoid collision. We need to see the roads, like our roads, like there are problems in the roads and stuff. We need to consider all the pointers. Okay, and based on that, we can program accordingly, and then we can uh, take that project and make it workable. Some of the autonomous driving tasks where reinforcement learning could be applied is includes trajectory optimization, like what is the speed and how you can optimize it, and how you can motion planning, dynamic pathing, like you need to like Google Maps they use in Uber and Ola. They are using it to some extent. Collateral optimization, scenario-based learning. Okay, so these are the, and there are some examples. Parking can be achieved by, sorry, yeah, parking can be achieved by learning automatic parking policies. We need to have automatic policies for parking. Okay, lane changing can be achieved through queue learning, while overtaking can be implemented by learning and overtaking policy while avoiding collision. Okay, maintaining a steady speed thereafter. So when whatever, like when we are driving, if we know, like we will be knowing how to drive if we know that, if we have seen. So whatever problems there are, real problems, okay, you have to consider every problem while you are planning for a project on self-driving cars using reinforcement learning. Okay, so you have to consider all these points so that you can achieve the objective.